Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to remove an object from a video in CapCut. So let's get started. At first, let's get into CapCut app. So here it is. Now you can choose any project. Let's go for new one for now. So let's choose this one and click on add. Now here we can see this blue ink mark over here and we need to remove this. So at first let's select this video and scroll down. So here it's copy, so let's tap on this and here's a copy for this. So now we need to click on overlay and scroll this to front end over here. Now click on this one and click on mask. So here's marks and let's choose circle for now and let's make it smaller. And click on tick mark here. Now let's move this and cover this ink mark, and so we are done. So this is how we can remove any object from the screen in CapCut. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.